Can you hear it? Can it really be? Silence in our school? While it would have been a good guess that our school quiets down during the summer, that couldn't be further from the truth. I'm Madeline, here to tell you all the things that have been going on in a time where you can't hear lockers closing or the bell ringing. This is the time we've been dreaming of since September. While the last academic year has brought memories I will never forget, the moment has finally come for some well-deserved time away. Forms 5, 6, and 7 spent no time waiting and were off to the Amarante Aqua Park for what is already a staple end-of-year trip. Students and staff raced each other down the slides, had ice cream, sunbathed, and overall set the perfect tone to start their summers. Form 8s took a slightly different approach. They dressed up to the nines. Get it? Because now they'll be in Form 9, and they had a prom full of music, dancing, awards, and all in all, a great time. But we already discussed this last month, so I won't spend too much time on it. Moving up, Form 9s went to their cultural trips to Paris, Berlin, Madrid, and Malta. They didn't go to all of them though, can you imagine? Students went to one of these incredible places across Europe based on the foreign language they've been learning since Form 5. It's always a nice way to test ourselves and ensure we remember what we've been taught in lessons. And on the topic of going abroad, our biology students went to Indonesia for the annual Operation Wallacea, where students integrated scientific research teams and spent a week studying the land and another week studying the sea. Out of all the outings and end-of-school rituals, this is the one I'm most jealous of. This makes it sound like everyone went away and the school became deserted. Except it didn't. After the last day, teachers stayed for an extra week as preparations for the new academic year began. Our staff's in-service week featured presentations and showcases of all the work developed by each department, as well as the iconic end-of-year staff lunch. So now this is the part where the school quiets down, right? Wrong. Summer means the kickoff for our CLIP summer program, home to our summer CLIP, summer school, and summer swimming. That's a lot of summer, almost like the word summer is starting to lose its meaning. Am I saying summer too much? I'll try to stop using the word summer from now on. These three offerings couldn't be more different from one another. One features fun activities for all ages. Another has challenges that continue the learning during the break. And the latter is an intensive swimming course, intended for those who seek to compete at the highest level or want to show off their skills at their next pool party. Regardless of what it is you're looking for, we've got it covered. If that seems like something you're interested in, all you have to do is check out our website's summer program page. Oops, said it again. Might it be that in August things finally quiet down? Seems so. The school has the summer program running until the 14th of August. And on the very last day of August, staff come back to continue preparations for the new academic year. After that, everything kicks off. But that's information for the next episode. Wherever you are, enjoy the rest of your summer holidays. Bye!